What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to collect user logs. When something goes wrong on a user's game client, we need logs to figure out what happened. But the shipping build doesn't usually create logs automatically, and it is pretty tough for the user to get logs for the build. That's where this method comes in handy. We set up an event dispatcher to catch log messages and turn them into notifications. During the game's initialization, we bind an event to this dispatcher and store any notification it catches in an array. Next, we design an UI to show those notifications and add a button for the submitting them. Once the UI is ready, we load the notifications from the game instant array into the UI list. We also bind another event to the dispatcher so new notifications show up in the UI instantly. Whenever a notification is received, it is added to the UI list. A notification widget will also pop up on the screen. The notification will fade away after a few seconds. When the user clicks on the submit button, we create a log stream to save the notifications. Then, we format each notifications into a string and save them into a new array. After that, we use AWS CloudWatch logs to upload the logs to the log stream. Finally, we copy the log stream name to the clipboard so the user can easily share it. We also add a button to copy the log stream name again, just in case the user needs it. In this project, we have connected the notification event dispatcher to all the key parts, especially where errors may happen. In order to upload our project to the AWS, we will need to compile our project as Linux server executable. We will show you both in Mac and Windows. For Mac, you will need to go to the project folder and type those commands in the terminal, like bash /initiate build linux.sh, and we will just wait till it finished. And in Windows, the step is pretty straightforward and easy. So you just go to the editor and go to Platforms, Linux, ARM64, pick Development and the server and package the project. And that's it. Yeah, it's compiled. And very important, once you compile, you package your server, instead of zip the entire server, you will need to compress the content of the server, like showing the video. That's very important. If you not doing that, you will probably get some error, something like cannot find the path to the server file. So basically just follow what the video did like right here, just compress the content of the folder instead of entire folder. Then just select that zip file. You will need that very soon. So go to the AWS S3, Amazon S3 as the left corner. You just click the create a new bucket and add tags if you wish, but you can just leave it empty. But making sure that you will need to enable the bucket versioning right here, because for every time that you upload your file, if there is it is the same name, it will just like you will need the version ID for updating the CloudFormation stack. So just drag and drop as follow as the video. You drop right there and wait. Select the file and click upload, and we just need to wait till it finish. And then once it's finished, here's the version ID you will need for create or updating the CloudFormation stack. So go to the search for CloudFormation as shown in the left corner, and click for. We will provide you a template for AWS like CloudFormation template. You would just click create stack and upload the template that we provide to you. You just upload that one. And for in order to successfully create this stack, you will need a bunch of information. So for stack name, you can just enter whatever you want. And for the build bucket, you will just follow what the video did. And here is the key, just the name of the file you just upload, and you will need the version ID. For those two parameters, you can just enter what we shown here. And here you will need the path to the server executable here. Just copy that, but that's the absolute path. You will just cut that from part and leave it as a relative part path. And if you want to add tags, do whatever you want, but you can just also leave it as empty. After doing that, you can just click next, and submit. It may take some time, but as it complete, once it complete, you will need those information in the outputs to update those variables in your game instance accordingly. So you just follow right here and as like game live region. You just go to game live region and copy that alias ID. Pretty straightforward. Just go to output and put those information to the variable in your game instance accordingly. Client ID. So for every time you update or create a stack, making sure to also update those variables accordingly, or the game live may not work. We have also created a CloudFormation template that set up a log group to store the user logs. Now, let's check out the final result. We start by creating an account as usual and entering the game. Let's change the password to generate some logs. You can see the notification window pops up and the log is listed in the UI. Now, let's click the submit button. And there we have the log stream name. Next, let's go to the CloudWatch logs console and search for the log stream. There it is. Now, let's open the log stream and check out the logs we just submitted. And there you go, it is all here. Thanks for watching.